Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Monster Moto Minibike parts is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your ride in top-notch condition, ensuring that every adventure you embark on is as thrilling and reliable as the first. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking to upgrade your performance or a new enthusiast aiming to maintain your minibike's optimal functionality, having access to high-quality parts is paramount for a smooth and exhilarating experience on any terrain. Investing in the right components not only enhances your bike's capabilities but also guarantees safety and longevity, making every journey a memorable one. Number 5. AUTOKAY Carburetor for Monster Moto Mini Pit Bike. Upgrade your mini pit bike with this premium carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. This part is engineered to fit a range of models, including the MBX-10, MBX-11, and Monster Moto MB80. It's also compatible with Honda GX100 engines. Specifically designed for engines ranging from 79 cubic centimeters to 97 cubic centimeters, this carburetor delivers the precise fuel mixture your bike needs to perform at its best. Replace your old or faulty carburetor with this direct fit solution. It matches part number 16100ZOD003 for a seamless installation. The package includes everything you need for a straightforward replacement. You'll receive the carburetor, gaskets, fuel line, and fuel filters. Don't let a worn-out carburetor slow you down. Get your mini pit bike running like new again with this essential component. What we like. This carburetor is designed for a direct fit, ensuring a hassle-free replacement for your specific mini bike models. It comes with all the necessary gaskets and a fuel line, making it a complete package for a smooth installation. If you're experiencing issues with your current carburetor and want a straightforward fix with all the essentials included, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It fits perfectly on the mini bike and is easy to install. The performance enhancement is noticeable. Number 4. Minibike Universal Front Suspension Kit. Tired of a bumpy ride? Introducing a universal front suspension kit designed to enhance your minibike's comfort and handling. This suspension kit offers a universal fit, compatible with Mega, Coleman, and many other minibike models. Enjoy a smoother journey no matter your brand. Upgrade your ride with this easy-to-install suspension kit. It's designed for a straightforward setup, getting you back on the road in no time. Experience a significant improvement in ride comfort. This kit absorbs shocks and vibrations, making your rides more enjoyable. Built for lasting performance, this suspension kit is a reliable addition to your minibike. It's engineered to withstand regular use. Identify this essential upgrade with part number suspension kit. It's the perfect solution for a smoother, more comfortable ride. What we like. Experience a significantly smoother ride with this universal suspension kit. It's designed to fit a wide range of mini bikes, offering a noticeable reduction in bumps and vibrations. If you're looking to upgrade your current mini bike's comfort and handling, especially on rougher terrain, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great bike for the price. It is a fun bike to ride and easy to assemble. The bike is very durable and has held up well to a lot of use. Number 3. Monster Moto 80 cubic centimeters mini bike drive chain. Is your mini bike chain worn out? Get back on the trails with this high-quality replacement drive chain. This chain is specifically designed for your Monster Moto 80 cubic centimeters mini bike. It's compatible with several popular models, ensuring a perfect fit. Featuring a robust number 35 chain size, this part is built to last. It has 134 links, providing the right length for your bike. Installation is a breeze with the included master link. You'll be back to riding in no time. Ensure smooth and reliable performance for your mini bike. This drive chain is the perfect solution for replacement needs. What we like. This replacement drive chain is built to last with its durable number 35 chain specification and 134 links, ensuring a proper fit for your specific mini bike model. It also conveniently includes a master link for easy installation. If your current chain is worn out or you need a reliable replacement that's ready to go, this is the perfect option. What people say. The parts are high quality and fit perfectly on my mini bike. I was impressed with the durability of the components, they held up well even under heavy use. The design of the replacement parts is excellent, making installation straightforward and easy. Number 2. FDJ Go Kart Clutch 5/8 bore. This centrifugal clutch is designed for 5/8-inch crankshaft engines. It's compatible with many popular mini bikes and go-karts, including those using a number 35 chain. Experience stable engagement and smoother acceleration with this heavy-duty clutch. It provides reliable power transfer, reducing vibration for a better ride. Featuring a precision-machined 11-tooth sprocket, this clutch is built specifically for number 35 chain setups. Its durable steel construction ensures improved wear resistance. Mounting this clutch is straightforward on compatible engines with a 5/8-inch shaft. It's a great replacement for worn or damaged stock units, perfect for DIY builds. This clutch is perfect for go-karts, mini bikes, and drift trikes, whether for recreational riding or custom projects. Please confirm your engine shaft size and chain type before purchasing. What we like. Achieve smoother acceleration and reliable power transfer with this centrifugal clutch. Its 5/8 bore and 11-tooth sprocket are specifically designed for number 35 chain systems, making it ideal for Predator 212 cubic centimeters engines and many popular mini bikes. If you're building a custom mini bike, go-kart, or drift trike and need a robust clutch for enhanced performance, this is a great selection. What people say. The mini bike parts are a perfect fit for the monster Moto. These parts are durable and have held up well to regular use. The design of the parts allows for easy installation and maintenance. Number 1. AlveyTech Kickstand Spring for Mini Bikes. Ensure your mini bike stays upright and secure with our durable kickstand spring. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your ride is parked safely and won't tip over. Replacing your old spring is a breeze. This part is designed for a tool-free installation, making it a simple DIY job for anyone. Designed to fit a variety of popular mini bike models. It's compatible with Monster Moto, Motovox, and Baja Doodlebug mini bikes. With an overall length of 3 to 12 inches and a coil length of 1 to 11/16 inches, this spring provides the perfect fit for your mini bike's kickstand. Experience smoother rides and effortless parking. This essential component ensures your bike remains stable when parked, minimizing the risk of tipping. What we like. Enjoy effortless parking and a more stable bike with this easy-to-install kickstand spring. It requires no tools for replacement and is compatible with a variety of popular mini bike models. If you've lost your kickstand spring, or it's no longer functioning correctly, and you want a quick, simple fix to ensure your bike stays upright, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the Monster Moto mini bike. Easy to install and works great. High-quality materials and durable construction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.